Hey guys, this is Royce with RealToDo Real Estate CRM, and today I'm going to go over your product update 10. And those are the changes to the mobile and web application for March 2018. Okay, so in March we added a table view for the web app, and that's going to make it a little bit easier for you to view your data on desktop or laptop screens. For mobile screens, it'll fall back automatically to a panel view, and that's because tables don't really display that well on smaller screens. So you'll get the familiar panel view that you've always had. We also added in the ability to dismiss reminders, and you can do that without stopping automated reminders. We simplified navigation for the web app specifically, so we moved around some of the buttons, and now it's just easier to get to your settings. We also changed things for the settings module themselves. Now you can view when you signed up as well as your account ID. And lastly, and perhaps most importantly, we moved the purchase button around to a place that was a little less obstructive. We wanted to give you a better experience for your free trial, so we moved the purchase button into the sidebar for the web app, and we moved it up into the header for the mobile app, so it's out of your way and you can enjoy the app even if you're only on your free trial. So today we're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to put your mobile app on the left of the screen and the web app on the right. And that's to show you that when you make a change in the web app, for instance, it's instantly seen in your mobile application. All you need to do is refresh the mobile app. And if you make a change on the mobile app, similarly, if you refresh the web app, that change will be seen instantaneously. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hop right in. Like I said, your mobile app is over here on the left. This is a screen recording of a iPhone 5 actually, so it's a little bit old. And on the right, you have your web application. So let's go ahead and log in using both applications. And now we're into our account. And you can see that the information on the right is identical to the information on the left. So your web application has the exact same information as your mobile application. So here we are on your dashboard, and you can see that we have reordered all of your reminders into a table format, and that's just because it's much easier to view large sets of data in a table, and you can do that on a desktop or a laptop screen. You can't really do that on a mobile screen, so that's why we have them ordered in panels on the mobile. And if you would like, you can still get the panel view by simply clicking here on panel view, and then you'll have your panels displayed exactly like they're seen in the mobile application. You can go back to the table view like this. You can sort your categories by alphabetically, as well as your the name of your contacts and clients and leads, and then the date that you added them, and by days since contact. And you can see here I've been a very bad boy, and I haven't talked to these people at all. Actually, I never contacted Heather Thompson, Sarah Grimwald, Ben Hogan. I did contact Gregory Toledo, but that was 61 days ago, so I should probably get in touch with him. We also added a dismiss button, and this was very highly requested. We had a stop automated reminders. So if you stop the automated reminders, that will change the lead to gray, and we can go ahead and show that right here. So let's say we want to do this for Heather Thompson. Stop automated reminders by clicking this button. She disappears from your table, and she actually is still in your mobile app. You just need to refresh that page. So if we go over to the contacts and we go to Heather Thompson, you can see that she is gray on both your mobile and your web application. And that's because we just clicked that stop automated reminders. And we can then come in and turn her back to a cold lead. I believe she was a cold lead. And then go back to the home page. And now we still have those reminders for Heather Thompson, and she's blue on both of these. The dismiss button, what it does is it actually creates an automated email in your email records. So let's say we want to dismiss the contact reminder for Heather Thompson. So let's click dismiss, and this time let's do it on the mobile app and see what happens. So let's go to Heather Thompson, click options, and then click dismiss reminder. Okay? She disappears from your list. And if you refresh your web app, you can see she's gone there as well. Let's go to the contacts. And she's still blue. Her Her color indicator is still blue, or in this case, it is a cold lead because that's what I've defined as the category for that contact or for that color. And if you go to the contact record for her, well, it might just be easier to search here. So let's say Heather, and then we want to look at her contact record, contact history. And then we'll do it on a web app as well, contact history. And you can see user dismissed automated or custom reminder. So that's a way for you to know that you didn't need to talk to this client. You just dismissed the warning. But let's go ahead and delete this. Click delete. And if we go back to our home screen now on both our mobile and web applications, you can see she's back because we deleted that email record. In March 2018, one other thing we did is we moved the purchase buttons into places that were a little less obstructive so that while you're on your 30-day free trial of RealToDo, you can really enjoy using the application. In the web app, we moved the purchase buttons into the sidebar. And so you've got the purchase button here, and you also have a countdown. So this tells you how many days you have left in your trial. And if you minimize, you actually still see those little buttons. And in your mobile application, if you've downloaded the mobile app off of Google Play or the Apple App Store, what we've done is we moved that purchase button up into the top right-hand corner. And again, same purpose, just to get that button away from your main work area. It's still visible, but this way, you can really enjoy using the app as it's intended to be used, even while you're on your 30-day free trial. So we also made some small tweaks to navigation of the web app. We moved your settings up into the nav bar. So now if you come up here and you click on your username, and then you click on settings, it'll take you to your settings module. And it's exactly the same. Other than that, you just click enable custom settings, then you can change these categories for the colors of your map markers, calendar events, and contacts, clients, and leads. We also added a couple more fields up here. You can now see your sign up date and under your account information, and you can also see your account ID. Now, it's hidden by default. If you click the link right here, it'll show the account ID. And if we go over to the mobile app and we click options and then settings, you can see that you see similar information here. You now have the tap to show account ID option, as well as your sign up date and your settings. And those are your product updates for March 2018. If you're finding us for the first time, you can learn more about RealToDo Real Estate CRM by visiting RealToDo.com. You can download our mobile applications off of Google Play or the Apple App Store, and you can log into the web app by visiting RealToDo.com. And remember, RealToDo offers a 30-day free trial for all users. No credit card required. If you need a hand with anything, you can always reach us by emailing support@UbiquiTools.com, and we'll include that contact information in the description of this video. Thank you very much for your time.